transportation and market. But nowadays, all these are not playing an important role. For example, you see the location of the data center which is coming in Vizag. So the data center which will be located, it will have 3 times the capacity of the data centers which are there in all over India. So such a big data center is coming. Now why it is coming to India means entire world data, whatever processing you do, so that will be located in Vizag. Why? Water, pollution haven, you're giving land. So because of all these things, they are coming here. Now nowadays, what is playing an important role? Predictability in the policy, law and order situation, they're playing a major role, and also the provisions of free land, infrastructure, tax holidays, 99 paisa that is there. Moreover, whosoever will be building the data center here, like the Google is coming and building here in Vizag. So for till 2047, till you receive this Amrit Kal, till then there is no tax. There is a tax holiday. Means they will come here, they will not be paying any tax here, and all the profits will be taking away. Is it even justified? They'll be using your water, they'll be using your electricity. Here people themselves, they're not getting electricity, they're not getting access to clean water, and over that you want to look at these kind of activities here. So how far it is justified? They should be paying for something, right? It's not like Google is a poor company. Google is in fact 3 times richer than Andhra Pradesh in terms of revenue. उनका अगर पूरा market capitalization देखोगे तो more than India's GDP, more than $4 trillion, and for them we are giving them freebies. So all this will not be playing an important role. So these are playing a very important role. Now if you look at the Weber's industrial pattern, so earlier what used to be a pattern is, so what is the standard here is, you have the market, and this is where you get the raw material. Now, so between the market and raw material, you can locate your industry anywhere. But you have 3 types of raw material. 3 types. One is weight losing raw material. Then you have weight gaining raw material. And then you have pure. Now, can you tell me the example of weight losing raw material? Means weight losing means, so this difference between raw material and final product, these two. So weight losing means the final product should be much lighter than the raw material. Sugarcane, very good. Sugarcane is a raw material, cane. Sugar is the final product. Very good. Sugarcane. And iron ore. All the metallic ores. For example, if you are taking 100 kg of ore, you'll be getting around like 6 kg of iron from that. So it's highly weight losing. So where you'll be locating these industries, weight losing industries? Near the raw material or near the market? Means is it easy to transport 100 kg to the market, or easy to transport 6 kgs? 6 kgs. So therefore, in case of weight losing, the industry is located near the raw material. Now tell me the examples of weight gaining industry. Weight gaining. कॉटन कैसे वेट गेनिंग है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल वेरेंगे शर्ट, इसमें क्या है? कॉटन के फाइबर है. एक्स्ट्रा वेट क्या ऐड हुआ? बटन ही ऐड हुआ ना. अगर उर्फी दीदी पहनेगी वो उसमें बटन भी नहीं होगा, राइट. टी शर्ट्स पहनते हो, टी शर्ट्स उसमें क्या वेट ऐड हो रहा है? जीरो वेट. सो प्योर टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, नीदर वेट लूजिंग nor weight gaining. जो भी cotton है that will be converted into thread, the thread will be woven and cloth will be made, and that cloth you can wear as it is. Okay, शॉल कर सकते हो, साड़ी कर सकते हो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो. थोड़ा बहुत एडिशन होगा, बटन शटन का एडिशन होगा. लुंगी पहन रहे हो तो उसका भी कोई नो एडिशन, राइट. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वेट गेनिंग इंडस्ट्री. ऑर्नामेंट्स में अच्छा एक्स्ट्रा डायमंड्स. अच्छा, आई थॉट यूल से पेट्रोल. पेट्रोल में इथेनॉल ऐड करते. See, the classic example here is automobiles. Automobiles में सिर्फ चेसी आता है ना, that comes from iron and steel industry. Frame जो होता है. Over that, you put tires, electronic equipments, glass, etc., painting. So, weight gaining industry is located near the market. Then you have pure industries. And also one more example of the weight gaining industry is beverages. For example, you have water bottling industry. Now, where you'll be locating the industry? You'll be locating near the urban centers only, near the markets. So there only you'll be drilling borewell, extracting the water, you will purify it and then sell it. For example, you want to sell this beverages, Coca-Cola, etc. What you'll do? You'll get a syrup from USA, that's it. The concentrated syrup, that's it. The water will be added from here only, gas, CO2 will be added, and then it will be sold to you. So beverage industry is also weight gaining industry. So pure industries, raw material and market. So this can be located anywhere in between. So this is when you have one raw material. If you are having two raw materials, it will become complex again. Then you have to draw a triangle, you have to see, from where. Basically, you are seeing that the transportation charges are as low as possible. So you have to transport a lesser weight, not a higher weight. Understand? So this is a very simpler one. They won't be asking beyond this. And this theory has been given by Weber.